Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Upwork. So Upwork is a website where freelancers can find a job, work and earn money. And in this video I will show you how to get money and show you 10 ways to get money on Upwork. And after creating an account and to be more secure, I advise you to log using your Google account. So the first way is to complete small tasks. Upwork offers a variety of small tasks called micro job that can be completed quickly and easily. These tasks range from data entry to social media management. You can complete these tasks and earn money quickly. The second way is to offer your service as a freelancer. Upwork allows freelancers to create a profile and offer their service to clients. You can offer your service in an area such as writing, web development, graphic design, or translation. You can set your own rates and work with clients from all over the world. So the third way is to apply for job posting. Upwork has a job posting board where clients post jobs that they need to be done. You can search for jobs that match your skills and apply to them. If the clients choose you, you can begin working on the project and earn money. The fourth way is to work on fixed price contracts. Clients can also offer fixed plan contracts on Upwork. This contract specify a fixed price for a particular project. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can bid on these contracts and complete the project with the fixed price side by side to your client. The fifth way is work on hourly contracts. Upwork also offers hourly contracts where you can earn money for the hours you work. Clients can track your time using Upwork app and you can bill them for the hours you worked. Sixth way is build long-term relationship with clients. By providing quality work and well communication and building a good relationship with the clients, you can earn long time term work on Upwork. This can lead to stable income and consistent flow of work. Seventh way is to offer additional service. Once you have established a good relationship with your client, you can offer additional service. This includes upselling them an additional work or offering a retainer agreement for ongoing work. So the eighth way is create a portfolio. Upwork allow freelancers to create portfolio for their work. By showcasing your previous work, you can attract clients who are looking for your skills to hire you. And the ninth way is promote your service. You can promote your service on Upwork or outside of Upwork. This can include promoting your service on social media, creating websites, or attending network events. Then the last way is to learn new skills. Upwork offers a variety of skill tests that you can take to prove your expertise in a particular areas. By improving your skills, you can attract more clients and earn more money. So here the board of jobs is designed to be depending on the category you are looking for. So WordPress, we have video editing, illustration, SEO, enforcement, data entry, and voice-over recording, sale business with social media solution. We have e-commerce development, solution that brings more customers. And Upwork offers a variety of ways to make money as a freelancer by offering your service, completing micro jobs, or building long-term relationship with clients. You can earn a stable income on the platform by promoting your services and improving your skills. You can attract more clients and increase your earning potential. So here we have some notifications. Don't forget to post your saved job draft. Facebook ad specialist needed for product launch. I don't remember this. So here we have, you can be online or invisible. You can invite coworkers to work with you. Here we have the settings. You can edit your profile so people can find it attractive and add you to their projects and you work with them. So company detail, company contact, VAT ID, time zone, address. We have membership, members and permissions, notification settings, tax information. Here we have jobs, post a job, my jobs, all job posts, bring your own talent, any hires, and let's click on any hire. Get started. Welcome to any hire. Help create contact, onboard new talent review. I have read and understand. I agree to Upwork and go. Now I think you will have. Now we accede to any hire in Upwork. You can add offers here. Here to see hire talents. Nothing. So I think on any hire, pay talent you found outside to Upwork and others. So any hire have nothing to do with us now. And I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and see you on other videos.